Buying your first generator, let's break down what really matters before you spend thousands of dollars. Whether you're powering your home, business, or job site, the right generator can save you time, money, and headaches. Today, we're going over the basics: how to size your generator, what fuel types fit you best, and why buying from Power Generator Depot makes a difference. Step 1 is understanding your power needs. Generators are measured in watts or kilowatts. That's the amount of electricity they can produce. For example, a small home setup might need a 10 or 20 kilowatt unit, while a business or warehouse will need a 60 kilowatt unit. The rule of thumb: add the total watts of the equipment or appliances you need to run, and make sure your generator can handle at least 20% more. The three most common generator fuels are diesel, propane, and gas. Diesel generators are the most popular for commercial use. They're durable, efficient, and made to last. Natural gas and propane are cleaner and often easier to maintain, but not always available in remote areas. So it really depends on your setup, fuel access, and long-term cost. Let's talk about what to actually look for in a generator. Key features include weatherproof enclosures, noise reduction technology, and one that's often overlooked: a strong warranty. A good warranty can save you thousands down the line. It's a sign that the manufacturer stands behind their product. At PGD, we carry trusted brands with solid coverage, so you can buy with confidence. Even the best generator won't last without good maintenance. Regular oil changes, fuel management, and monthly testing can add years to your generator's lifetime. Most diesel generators can last 20 years if properly cared for. If you're not sure where to start, at Power Generator Depot, we have your back. So give us a call. At Power Generator Depot, we know how important it is to get power when you need it most. That's why we focus on great pricing, trusted engines, and having units ready to ship right now. We work directly with shippers overseas to make sure we have stock ready, so you're not waiting months for your power solution. Whether you're a contractor, homeowner, or business owner, we'll help you find the right generator at the right price. Find your generator today at powergeneratordepot.com or reach out to our team for help choosing the perfect generator for you.